When I was appointed as the governor here, our order Prime Minister told me that, yes, you are happy. In Goa, this rice and fish are the common food item, just like your Kerala. So, similarity in that, if you go through the villages, the houses, if you look into it, similar houses, and people of Goa are good at their hearts. There is no communal right in Goa. And Goa is considered as per on the basis of per capita income, the topmost state in India. And their cordial, peaceful relationship between various political parties and various religions are also a classic example to be followed by our Kerala also. So whatever may be the political rivalry and other things, they are not considering their rivals as enemies. So that is why I am not blaming Kerala. But once our Dr. Abdul Kalam was the President of India, he visited Kerala Assembly. In his first visit, he advised Kerala, 7 points are there. I am not going to that all the points. But first point, first advice, first suggestion given by our Rashtrapati at that time was to go through it, minimize the political spirit. That doesn't mean that we will have to run away from political thought. Of course, various types of, what is democracy? Democracy is right to differ. So you can oppose your opponent politically, ideologically, not consider in a democracy your rival as an enemy. And that is why I am very happy that unexpectedly more than half of the audience here are from Kerala, and I am very happy that in the presence of you people, my dear Keralites, my book is going to be released.
His Excellency has written a wonderful book, and the book says, On the Side of the Angels. A wonderful heading to start with. I hope that you all get a copy of this book to read and follow the wonderful thoughts that are mentioned in this book. It's a book written by a person who believes in true democracy. We have had dictators in this world who try to destroy freedom of the people. We live in a democratic world today, and this is the best system that man has ever imagined to have a government in democracy. And it is here